Welcome to Master the Art of Altcoin Trading, Insider Tips for Maximum Profits. In this video, we will delve into the exciting world of altcoin trading. If you've been curious about altcoins and want to learn how to navigate this market successfully, then you've come to the right place. Get ready to sharpen your trading skills and boost your profits. Understanding altcoin trading. Before we dive into insider tips and strategies, let's begin by understanding altcoin trading. Altcoins refer to any cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin. While Bitcoin remains the dominant player, altcoins have emerged with unique features, potential use cases, and intriguing investment opportunities. Altcoin trading involves buying and selling these digital assets in various cryptocurrency exchanges. Altcoins, a world of opportunity. Altcoins represent a world of opportunities for traders. The crypto market provides a wide array of altcoins with different characteristics. These coins can experience significant price fluctuations, making them attractive for traders seeking maximum profits. However, it's important to choose altcoins carefully, conducting thorough research into the project, team, adoption, and market trends before investing. Insider tips for altcoin trading success. Now, let's uncover some insider tips and strategies that can help you succeed in altcoin trading and maximize your profits. Tip 1. Do your research. Research is a crucial step before investing in any altcoin. Dive deep into the project's white paper, technology, and roadmap. Assess the team's expertise and track record. Look for strong partnerships and community engagement. Understanding the fundamentals will help you make informed decisions and identify promising altcoins. Tip 2. Stay updated with market trends. Altcoin markets are highly influenced by trends and news. Stay updated with the latest happenings in the cryptocurrency space. Follow reliable sources, join relevant communities, and be aware of any regulatory changes or major announcements that may impact altcoin prices. Making decisions based on well-informed market analysis can give you a competitive edge. Tip 3. Utilize technical analysis. Technical analysis plays a vital role in altcoin trading. Learn to read trading charts, identify support and resistance levels, and master indicators like moving averages and relative strength index, RSI. By analyzing historical price data, you can predict potential price movements and time your trades more effectively. Tip 4. Set clear entry and exit strategies. Setting clear entry and exit strategies is crucial for successful altcoin trading. Define your risk tolerance and determine the point at which you will enter a trade. Additionally, establish profit targets and stop-loss levels to protect your capital. Having a well-defined plan in place will prevent emotional decision-making and help you stay disciplined. Tip 5. Diversify your portfolio. To minimize risk, diversify your altcoin portfolio. Investing in a variety of altcoins across different sectors can help protect your investments from volatility. Remember, each altcoin represents a unique opportunity, and a diversified portfolio allows you to capture potential growth across various projects. Congratulations! You've learned valuable insider tips and strategies to master the art of altcoin trading. By doing thorough research, staying informed, utilizing technical analysis, setting clear strategies, and diversifying your portfolio, you can increase your chances of achieving maximum profits in the altcoin market. Now, it's time to put your knowledge into practice and embark on your altcoin trading journey. Good luck and happy trading.